It was.
Monty, get a fucking news!
It was like
Monty, how many people?
Why are they accusing you of heroin and Adderall? Y'all don't know which drug or...